Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sumati. Today we're going to discuss OCI card. It is Canadian OCI card is what we are going to discuss. So in order to get an OCI dual I'm getting a lot of inquiries in regards to OCI card acquiring in different countries like Canada, USA, Germany and other countries. Is OCI is a dual citizenship? Of course no. The OCI is not an actually dual citizenship as the Indian constitutional forbids dual nationality. Article 9 says so, and 9th January 2015 the person of Indian origin card schemes was withdrawn by the government of India and was merged with the overseas citizens of Indian card scheme. Is India's visa is better than OCI? If you are requiring an OCI card for staying in for India for more or under 5 years, opting for an Indian visa is now ideal choice. This is because it is easy and convenient to apply. Also, you can apply it online through the third-party agent. Thus, it saves you both time and money, unlike applying for an OCI card. So, how long does it take to get an OCI card in Canada? Normally, OCI card should be ready in 8 to 10 weeks after submitting a hard copy of OCI at the BLS center. However, depending on the applications recovered in the consulate, it and may take more time. So without wasting much time, let us get into our video sessions and fill the applications. In order to do that, you have to go and click a new registration pursued. You have to read all these instructions. Once you have read this, you should click I have read the instructions, then accept this. Once you've done this, you have to fill this thing. I'm gonna fill this code 5A P28 and enter it. So if you are already filled off of the partial applicants, then you can go ahead and click it here, otherwise new applications. Yeah, so if you are from Canada, then you should opt here from the drop down Canada, and there are 3 different places that Ottawa, Toronto and Vancouver. I select Toronto. So once you select the Toronto, you should know where it is exactly. The Consulate General of India is located in Toronto. If you can Google OCI card office in Toronto, you will get this options where you can see the address of the Toronto OCI office, that is 365 Bloor STE/700 Toronto, Ontario, then Canada address, and it is open between 9 a.m. onwards, and the phone number is given in the provinces is Ontario. Other than that, we do have other OCI offices in Vancouver also, that is British Columbia. So that address also is given here, and if you can search it on Google, OCI card office Vancouver BC Canada, that is British Columbia Canada, then you will get a complete address 325 Highway and Vancouver BC British Columbia Canada, and the open timing between 9:30 a.m. onwards and the British Columbia. So that is the address part. Let us move on to the applications and fill the applications stuff. So here you have to give your name, surname and the your gender specifications and the application's passport related things, and your family information. I'll just pause it and fill all the information and come back to you. This would be a 2 different part. This is just a part A. Part B would be I'll be connecting tag the part B into this video. So we'll make 2 different part, how to add photos and other documents attachments, that I keep it as a separate video. So that will be a detailed understanding altogether. So I just pass it and fill the application now. So here I filled almost all the informations like surname and full name, given name and the gender specification, date of birth and place of birth and place of birth, and the current nationality, and if you have any visible mark on your body, and marital status, passport number, date of issuance, date of expiry and place of issue, and father's name, and and which country you belongs to, the father's nationality and the mother's nationality. That's when you can acquire this OCI. So once you're done with the save and continue. Here you have to give the occupations informations. So I have given the occupation information also. With this we'll be finishing our first part. Our second part would be continuing with the photo uploading and the signature upload and all the documents uploading. I'll be doing that in a second video. I'll be tying with this. I'll tag that video with along with this. You can continue watching that, and you can save this temporary ID number to log in and upload your part second. So that's all for the day, friends. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel. I have given the social media links below, and the email ID is there, and the phone number is given. If you have come across any kind of problem, you can ask our team for the help. If you want us to fill the application on behalf of you, we'll do the needful. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.